Ukungezwani kuyanda emkhandlweni wase-Tshwane njengoba umbiko womcwaningi mabhuku omkhulu ongemuhle wemukelwe ngokusemthethweni.
Irregular expenditure incurred by the municipality was not investigated to determine if any person is liable for the expenditures required by Section 32(2)(b) of the MFMA. Thirdly, appropriate action was not taken against officials of the municipality when investigations proved financial misconduct.
Umbiko wethulwe ngokusemthethweni omele ihhovisi likamcwaningi mabhuku kulandela umbiko ophutshukile eqaleni kwalenyanga. Ngaleso sikhathi kwaqubuka ulaka ngokungaphathi ngendlela izimali izikhulu eziphezulu. Lokhu kuza emva kwenyanga oyisikhulu esiphezulu ehhovisi lezimali kulomkhandlu uMabhanda engaphumelelanga imizamo yakhe yasenkantolo lokuhlenga umsebenzi wakhe. Waxoshwa umphathi wedolobha uJohan Metla ngokukhipha imininingwane yokusetshenziswa kwemali engelona iqiniso.
The accounting officer did not exercise adequate oversight responsibility over financial reporting and compliance with laws and legislation.
Manje amaqembu ombusazwe afuna kuxoshwe nemeya.
If officials are held responsible, even politicians must be part, because part of the politician's role is to play an oversight role.
We know that the salary bill exceeds 12 billion, but the city can only account for 7 billion. We don't know how possible it is that the 4.6 billion could just vanish without being traced by the AG.
Imeya yaseTshwane nayo iyazikhipha kuleli cala.
For us, there's one of two things you can do. You can just get rid of everybody and bring in everybody new. Or the person that misconducted themselves. So there's been misconduct, there's been a lack of oversight, and we can take responsibility and put new systems in place.
Umbiko womcwaningi mabhuku uphakamise ukuba kuthathelwe izinyathelo lezo zisebenzi ezitholakala zinecala lokusaphaza imali. Yonke imali elahlekile kufanele ibuyiswe bese bevulelwa icala lobugebengu labo abaphule umthetho.